Dry out there.
Yeah, in Umatilla County. And of course, it is that time of year. And Josh, you've been telling us it's been pretty dry.
Extremely dry. You can see across the eastern half of our state and even parts of the western half really dealing with the lack of rainfall. And of course, this all comes as our forecast is really going to be staying dry. But I want to give you a closer look of exactly kind of the area that we are dealing with as these fires are now sparking up this evening. A look out from the Arlington, Oregon area. So this is in the location of where ODOT's cameras are located closest to the fire. Of course, we don't actually have a visual with the ODOT cameras, but you can really just see how dry those hillsides are as our temperatures are very much so on the hot side of things out towards the East Pendleton at 90 degrees at this point in time. A much different picture than what we're dealing with here in western Oregon with the mid 70s and the low 80s. But I do want to hone in on those gusty winds. Relatively calm for the I-5 corridor, but you'll notice out towards the Dalles, seeing those gusts close to about 25 miles per hour. Even seeing some locations approaching 30. Pendleton, 35 mile per hour gusts as those winds continue to howl their way out of the west through the Columbia River Gorge along I-84. So any of the smoke that might be produced from those fires is going to be tracking its way further off to the east. Now, keep in mind where these fires are currently starting up is in abnormally dry conditions, not even in the moderate or severe drought that we have seen creep its way back into the Pacific Northwest. Now, the National Weather Service keeping that red flag warning in effect through 9 o'clock tonight, all due to the thunderstorm potentially starting and spreading brand new wildfires. So we don't want any human-caused fires in this elevated risk. As all is calm and quiet out towards the west, out east, you can see all of those thunderstorms firing up with abundant lightning and small hail. We've also seen a few of these cells have a history of producing severe thunderstorms with gusts close to 60 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail. That threat still remains with a marginal risk out towards the southeast corner of our state through the rest of this evening, but that will taper back as we approach the sunset hour. Tomorrow, not looking at severe weather, but the potential for some isolated thunderstorms. Now, the culprit of all of this active weather out towards the east is this latest low pressure system that continues to track its way off to the east. It's this trough of cooler air that will help to suppress our temperatures here across the Pacific Northwest just in time for the 4th of July. But you'll notice this next ridge of high pressure bringing back the summer heat mid-90s for us by the start of next week. Here's our future cast, seeing maybe a bubble-up thunderstorm tomorrow from the south to the north. We stay dry for the I-5 corridor and for the coast as the marine layer does impact our 4th of July plans for the shoreline, but mostly sunny skies for Independence Day right here in the Rose City, flirting with 80 degrees. And if you're traveling elsewhere across the Pacific Northwest, seeing those temperatures in the 70s and 80s, the Portland Waterfront Blues Festival Day 1, expect to see comfortable conditions approaching 80 degrees by about 4 to 5 o'clock in the evening. And that's going to make for a great fireworks show right here in downtown Portland. By the time you start heading home, 64 degrees. Traveling elsewhere across the country this 4th, hot summer temperatures out towards the central regions, potentially seeing some thunderstorms out towards the Midwest and the Great Lakes locations. For tonight, we will fall back to about 53 degrees, staying dry, calm, quiet. Rinse and repeat tomorrow, upper 70s, and our 7-day forecast just keeps that stable weather going all the way through the end of the holiday weekend. Next week, though, the summer heat ramps back up again. We're talking about the return of the mid-90s.
Yeah, 4th of July seems almost perfect, doesn't it?
Oh, it really does. Exactly where we should be for this time of year.
All right, thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.